everybody. In this video I'm sharing my process of making a fish pattern. I hope this video brings you joy, maybe some inspiration to make a pattern or an illustration yourself. So just come hang along and let's create together. So at first I just create a background. For this one I have just a light yellow to start with and not like a very blank canvas. So my first step is to just sketch some fish. I just keep it very simple. I just don't want to make it myself very difficult here. And I just sketch loosely very basic shapes of a fish. I didn't have reference here. Maybe I'll do that in another video because I love to have inspiration from real fish. I mean, the ocean world is very intriguing, right? I made some ocean creatures earlier and I've been drawing a lot of birds lately, but I feel like I'm into fish as well. So to make a seamless pattern from this sketch, I just moved the canvas to the corners to make a seamless pattern and see where there's empty space still. So as you can see here, I make a new fish in the middle and I repeat this until I have a fully covered canvas. Or just move the fish around a little bit just to have an evenly space around each fish. So then the second step is I create a new layer and I just trace the lines that I love the fish to be. So then I'm creating a basic layer, which will be easy for me to work on later by using clipping masks. So I don't have to draw within the lines once I made these. There's two ways to do this. The first is just coloring in, which is a very relaxing way. It's more time consuming though. And the other way is using the fill method, which can be done by selecting the line layer and set that layer as a reference layer. So then once you fill in on another layer, it still uses that line layer to fill in within the line. So it's very handy. At this point I wanted to have a blue background. I just wanted to have the feel of more being deep in the ocean. And then now comes the fun part, which is coloring in. I feel like just because I already fill in the background layer, the yellow tone really pops on the blues, which I love in this case. I think fish is very interesting to illustrate because you can do anything. Like they have all these colors. I mean, you can even like create new fishes, and I think we can just really let our imagination here go wild with creating new kind of fish, which is really nice. So here I tried yellow, and at first I thought maybe the yellow stripes on the back would be nice, but then I wasn't really feeling it, so I tried different things on the tail, like another brush, and I ended up making yellow dots. Then lastly I added some details, pink and a darker blue fins. So here I added another pattern I made earlier just to have some texture on the fish, and I play around with opacity and the blending modes. So here I add some lighting rays. I wasn't really thinking about the seamless pattern here anymore because as you can see it won't connect because I colored in the sides of the illustration. and it will result in not having a seamless pattern, obviously. So now I'm creating the final pattern here, and this is the final result. I was playing around with the background color once again. I really like the blue, but I think the yellow tone is really nice as well. So let me know which one you like best. And if you like this video, please let me know in the comments. I would love to chat with you, so let me know. I hope you liked watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.